Hello audiophile. Today I will show you how to significantly improve the comfort of the Beyerdynamic DT990 Pro 250 ohm over-ear studio headphones. I will show you how to remove and replace old, dirty and damaged earpads cushions with new ones, replacement extra puffy and soft ear cups. As you can see, the Beyerdynamic genuine earpads are completely dead, they stink and they falls apart. To install the earpad replacements you have to remove the old ones. It's easy. Put the inside of your finger and pull the earpad off. It comes apart a little. I hope you're not going to get nausea and stay well. Use a cloth to remove excess dirt and debris so that there is nothing extra under the new ear cups. Then take the extra soft earpad cushion you bought earlier. You see what I mean, incomparable things. To put the new ear cup on, you have to put the edge of the ear cup over the edge of the headphone body. It's not difficult. It's a horror movie. How could such headphones have been used before? Well, that horror movie is over and the dream of new and very soft earpads cushions is coming true. In the same way, take off the last old pad, clear debris and put on a new ear cup. It should not give you problems. The main thing is that these earpads give leather earpads the benefits of sound insulation and velour pads comfort. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to write below this video, I'll try to help. I would also be happy if you hit the like and subscribe buttons for this video. But for now, I'm going to try to wash my hands.